I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you now. I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you.
Hello everybody, it is Cinnamon from It's a Love Thing. And guess what I'm doing this week? I'm taking over KEE KAM and the fam. You won't see Cam, you won't see Key, and you won't see Pops. You will only see Cinnamon this week. I'm taking over. They can't cook, so. But anyway, this week I'm doing greens, mac and cheese, sweet potatoes, cake, you name it, I'm cooking it. So if you want to see these good recipes, then check me out all week. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can get all our new and upcoming videos. And also don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think about my recipes. And last but not least, give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the Epic Empire, KEE'S Way, Kaminator Gamez, and It's a Love Thing. So we'll see you guys in our upcoming videos. Bye!